With us today, Thomas GAVORY from OCEA. Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Christophe.
What makes your shipyard special?
Well, since 1987, we have specialized in the conception, building, delivery, and then support of vessels up to 90 meters length, with a high level of performance, with a low consumption, with a reduced operating cost, and a low environmental impact. And to do so, we are designing and building aluminium vessels. Besides that, since the very beginning, our DNA has been to listen to the client and then develop a complete range of fast patrol boats, offshore patrol vessels, offshore survey vessels, to help them fulfill their missions. And that includes a complete package of integrated logistics support, documentation for the maintenance, for the operating of the vessel, trainings, on-site technical assistance, and a comprehensive in-service support. So we have a full sea-proven and widely recognized track record of more than 350 vessels delivered so far in Europe, in Asia, in the Middle East, in Africa, and in South America.
You work mainly on export markets. What have been your most successes?
So yes, indeed, we are generating more than 95% of our turnover from exports. Recently, we have delivered in April this year the latest design of our hydrographic survey vessel, which is the OSV 115 for the Nigerian Navy. This vessel is designed for several missions: oceanographic and hydrographic operations, oil spill recovery operations, general patrol, diving support, search and rescue. And she is a great complement to the OSV Lana that we have built and delivered to the same client 2 years ago, which was a vessel of 60 meters. So this confirms that we have established a long-lasting partnership with this client, with the Nigerian Navy, and that is illustrated by the fact that this OSV 115, will be the 21st vessel delivered over the last 12 years to them. And that includes interceptors, fast patrol boats, survey vessels.
How do you build on your track record to develop your offer?
Well, the future OPV for Guyana is a great example of such an approach. We have signed in May this year a contract for the delivery of an OPV 190, 58 meter, for Guyana Defense Forces. The vessel will be an evolution of the OPV 190 that we delivered to the Senegal Navy in 2016. But in addition to that, the design of the vessel will benefit from the feedback of the Gyptis, which is a 46-meter OPV that we delivered to the French Maritime Affairs 2 years ago, and which has been operating very well and to the great satisfaction of the clients so far. And of the Gabriela Silang, which is an 84-meter OPV that we delivered to the Philippines Coast Guards in 2020, and which is still to date the world's largest monohull OPV in aluminium. So building on these feedbacks, the OPV for Guyana will incorporate a double stabilization system, passive and active, diesel-electric propulsion system with a fully electric mode in low speeds, and an aerial drone launching and recovering platform.
What are your prospects of development in France and worldwide?
Well, we have several projects that we are currently negotiating with our clients, and some of them are very growth-generating projects, which is perfectly in line with our company's international development. Indeed, besides White Shipyard, which is our sister company based in the UK, and which is a European leader in high-speed crafts and zero-emission transportation boats for urban mobility, we have established a subsidiary in the Philippines and a sales office in Panama. And this allows us to be as close as possible to our clients, both current clients and the future clients, from the design to the operation, and that demonstrates our ambition to be a partner all the way.
Which news will be presented at EURONAVAL?
We will present our brand new OPV 230, which is a 72-meter patrol vessel, for which we have quite several prospects, including one which is fairly advanced because we are in the final stage of negotiations for 2 units. We will also showcase the largest member of our OSV family, which is the OSV 315, 95-meter length. She will be capable of both coastal and offshore operations, hydrographic operations, but she will also be capable of launching and recovering aerial, surface and underwater unmanned vehicles. And then last but not least, we will take the opportunity of the show to present a new range of vessels, a new range of patrol boats, but we will reserve the first details to the EURONAVAL visitors. So come and see us at EURONAVAL on our booth, I-80, and we will be very pleased to welcome you there.
Thank you, Thomas GAVORY, and we wish you all the best for EURONAVAL.